Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 168 Martin Drive in Manassas Park. I am getting ready to show you a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home for rent. So I'll give you a little idea of the neighborhood. Now you do have a driveway, as well as a covered, carport. So if you want to have the car covered, we just had the snow rainstorm yesterday. So the backyard's kind of muddy. So I don't want to track any mud in, so I'm just going to show you around. You do have a shed that you can use as well. Backyard is mostly fenced in. This area is not closed off, so just give you a little bit of a point of view, a little bit of perspective. And we're going to go inside, where there is new flooring throughout. Also, I do want to apologize in advance. Over the weekend, the battery for the smoke detector died, and didn't realize it until I got here today, so I just didn't have a battery on me to change. But let me show you around. Here we are in the living room. And then we come through here, and like I said, new flooring throughout. Has also been repainted. We have your apartment, we have your kitchen right here. Gas stove, your refrigerator, freezer, your dishwasher. You do also have this area if you want to have a little bit. I do like this. It just makes it nice and open to the dining room. Brings a little bit more light in. And then here is your laundry room. Again, just another view of the backyard. And then as we go through the dining room, it's ready to move into right now. There's just a few things they've been doing for little touch-ups, just kind of going out as the home is sitting vacant, but it's ready for immediate move-in. Again, another view of the dining room. Back into the living room. Now, of the 3 bedrooms, 2 of them are on the main floor. I'll show you the main bathroom in just a minute. Here we have the full bathroom. This is actually the 3rd bedroom, the smallest of the 3. Give you a little idea of the closet space. And then go to the 2nd bedroom. And then closet space for here. And then you do have a linen closet right here as well. And we're gonna head upstairs. So first thing when we head upstairs, there's a little area right here that you could use for an office space. Like I said, the smoke detector up here that needs to have the battery changed. So you could use this for an office space, a game room, a little library, a little study. There's just so many different things you could do with this. Also closet space, more additional closet space. And then here for the bedroom itself. If you are interested, please feel free to reach out. If you have an agent, have them reach out to us. We can set up a showing as well. But thanks again for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll talk to you in the next video.